Alright, we're working on a tilt steering column cover for an MK3 Jetta or Golf or Cabrio. And got a broken piece right in there. It's got a screw that I can turn, but the plastic turns with it. So you try to stop the plastic from turning and it just spins. So I'm just trying to figure out how to get this out. I think I've come up with a way. So see how it just spins out, and I need to get that thing out. So I think this is probably going to be the best way. I take my induction heater. I'm going to turn this, it'll heat up just the metal, and it'll melt that plastic that the metal is attached to. Get it nice and hot. Okay. Then I'll stop it with the these vice grips in the vice. And I think that it is, I think it's coming out. Oh, I think I melted it a little bit too much. Okay, heated it up and twisted it, and then I got it out now. So there's two screws. Now I just have to shape this up a little bit better. And to do that, I've got my plastic welder, and I'll just drill that out almost a little bit. I can use a little soldering iron and fix that right up, and then it's usable for this piece right here. So I can take a bolt here. This is the right diameter, and I'll just slide in there like that, and it goes so far and then it stops. I can do exactly the same thing with this just to shape it. I can go like that. I guess I used a little bit too much, but you get the point, and then I can just shape this to the way I need it to go. Just push that back. This gets, I can feel like not only the heat, but I can feel the vibration of this heating up. Pretty crazy. Stick that in there. And you can see right there, it's the same thing. And I'll just shape this a little bit better. Give it a little V-shaped drill to hog that out so it matches that side. We'll be good to go. And here's the finished product.